Most people only want to shine. They don't want to grind. Like, when are you putting in work? When ain't nobody watching you? What kind of work are you putting in? Yeah, you can put in work when somebody tells you what to do. Yeah, you can put in work when somebody says, oh man, you got a coach around you. What type of work were you putting in when you ain't got no coach around you? When your teacher ain't around there, when your mom, when your dad, when your guardian, when ain't nobody around, what type of work you put in? I mean, so many people that meet adversity and they quit. Meet adversity, then you quit. Academics. I mean, so many people that look like us have so much potential within their life, but then you get in there and talk about some, oh man, I want to be successful. A math problem get in front of you just a little bit too hard. Oh man, I can't do that. You gonna quit at that? You think life ain't gonna give you something harder than something that happens in algebra, something that happens in calculus? The way you do anything, remember this, the way you do anything is the way you do everything. And as soon as you decide that you can quit at one thing, I promise you, you'll find yourself doing something else, and it gets difficult, it gets challenging, and it gets hard. And guess what? You know that's an option. Quit, because you've done it before. The reality is that you always remember your past history. You always remember the limit that you got to in order for it was too much for you. And the reality is that if you always have a limit, if there's always something that you have to where there's a stopping point for you, the reality is that you're going to quit when you reach that same thing again. Because your mind remembers, oh, the last time this happened, I didn't like this. And what was my response the last time?